Welcome back to our introductory session on teaching with three-dimensional design in Tinkercad. My name is Jennifer Robb, and in this section we are going to begin exploring the Tinkercad website. To start working with Tinkercad, we first need to open a new tab and load the website, which is linked here in the slide. Or you can simply type tinkercad.com into the address bar of your browser. If you want to more easily follow along with these slides and videos, I would recommend changing the website language to English. This will also help you to practice the language in the context of learning to use the STEAM tool. To change your language, drag your scroll bar all the way to the bottom of the page, and just below the Autodesk logo on the right side, you should see a Languages menu. Click on this and select English, which for me is the fourth option from the top. Now we're ready to keep going. The first thing we're going to do is create an account. So we are going to scroll all the way back up to the top of the page and click on the white Sign Up button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Once you've done that, Tinkercad will ask you how you intend to use the website. This will affect the kind of account that gets created. Since we want to use this for educational purposes, we are going to select the blue button that says Educators Start Here. You will then see a message talking about student safety and moderation. As a teacher, you will have access to the kinds of things your students create in your Tinkercad class and also have control over their privacy settings while on the website, which we'll talk about later. This message is alerting you to this responsibility. Once you've read through it, go ahead and click Continue to start making my educator account. You will then need to click the box certifying that you are an educator and that you have permission to use this tool with your students. The second half of that statement is less important at this time. However, if you do plan to use this with students, it's important to review any technology and safety guidelines they have in your school or educational context, as these may require you to seek explicit permission from students' parents before they can use Tinkercad. For now, go ahead and click that box and click on I agree. After that, you can go ahead and create your account, either with one of their sign-in partners like Google or Apple, or simply with an email and password. You will likely receive an email with a verification link to finish your account, so pause this video while you finish that step. After you have finished creating your account and successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the Tinkercad dashboard. Because you created a teacher's account, the first page you should see is the Classes page. We'll be looking at the classroom features a little bit later on in this session, but first I want to give you a chance to explore making in Tinkercad. In the next video, I'll introduce you to your first activity of the session where we will do just that.